In this video, I'll show you how to create an amazing parallax effect for free in CapCut. Let's get started. First, import your image into the project. Adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube videos. Resize the image slightly to fit the frame. Next, go to the Effects tab at the top of the screen. Expand the Video Effects menu, click on Motion, and select the 3D zoom effect. Drag and drop it onto your clip. Wait a moment for it to process, and you'll see a smooth 3D parallax zoom effect. For another variation, try the 3D Zoom Pro option. It's completely free. Drag it onto your clip to apply a different style of parallax movement. And that's it. You've created a cool parallax effect in minutes. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe for more video editing tips.